good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do one of my old staples. We're going to change the protein a little bit. We're going to do a chicken stroganoff. I've done a beef stroganoff on here. It's a little different taste profile, but I think you'll like it. So, if you like the video, it's totally free. All you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video. Hey guys, let's get started with chicken stroganoff. Alright guys, so the supporting cast, pretty simple. Our protein, of course, we got some chicken breasts here. You can use chicken thighs if you like. These are 2 chicken breasts cut up. I got about 3 cups of chicken stock here. Some just regular button mushrooms cut up. This is about 1.5 onions cut up, diced up. Got some butter here. Seasonings we're going to put in it. Black pepper, salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, some paprika, garlic powder, a little bit of Italian seasoning, some Dijon mustard, and then I got sour cream. This is what brings that flavor. And then you got to have a little bit of flour for thickener, about 1/3 cup. And then I'm using dumpling style egg noodles. You can use whatever egg noodles you want. Cook those in a separate pot. But hey guys, that's all the ingredients. We're going to get started with this. It's real simple. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to start with our chicken. And we're going to brown this up here. I've got these cut into cubes, probably about 1 inch or so. Got a little bit of butter in there, trying to keep the chicken breast moist. And right away, we're going to season these up. We're going to start with some pink Himalayan sea salt. There we go. Some black pepper. You know me and black pepper, I love it. There we go. And I got my noodles over here boiling in a different pot. So cook your noodles in a different pot. Alright, so we're going to brown this chicken up. It's going to take a few minutes. And a little bit more seasoning I'm going to put on it. A little bit more, a little paprika. We're going to throw in some Italian seasoning. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of garlic powder. Alright, so that's all the seasoning I'm going to put on. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Let these cook. Get totally cooked all the way through. Watch your noodles. Don't let those get overcooked. We'll be back in a second. Guys, so yeah, as you can see, my chicken is cooked all the way through. So we're just going to take that out and put it in another container for now. And we're just going to set that aside. And as you can see, all that buttery goodness that's in there, we're going to use that. That's flavor. So I'm going to throw in just a little bit more butter. Throw a tad bit more butter in. And we're going to put our onions in here. Alright, we're going to saute these onions down until they get really translucent. And then we're going to add our mushrooms about halfway through the translucent period of the onions, and we're going to add our mushrooms to it. Alright, so as you can see, the onions are cooking down really, really nicely. Develop some color. So we're going to add our mushrooms to this. All right. Now, one ingredient that I failed to tell you about, and I apologize, is I'm going to be using some minced garlic. So I'm going to use about a teaspoon of minced garlic in there. And we're going to let these cook for a little bit. Stir them up here. Let some of that moisture come out of the mushrooms. Alright, we're going to let these cook for a few minutes until you see them starting to get really soft. You can see the mushrooms and the onions are cooking down nicely. Got real soft. So I'm going to sprinkle in my flour now. The flour just acts as a thickening agent. I may not use all this 1/3 cup. There we go. I probably used about 3/4 of it. We're going to stir this up. It's going to act like a roux now. Butter, or oil and flour. It's your combination for a roux. You stir that in here. We're going to cook this just for a minute to get that flour taste out of it. Then we're going to add our liquid in. As you can see, it soaked up that butter right away. Alrighty. So there we go. Now I'm going to add my chicken stock. And we're going to start to see this thicken up. And while that's doing that, we're going to add our sour cream to it. This is 16 ounces of sour cream. I love the sour cream taste, so I'm adding it all. Some people only use 1 cup, but I love the sour cream flavor. Alright, we're going to let this cook and melt the sour cream and get thick a little bit. And when it gets thick, I'll add my Dijon mustard to it and a little bit more Italian seasoning, and we'll add our chicken back to it. So give me a second, we'll be back once that cooks through. As you can see, things are starting to really melt. The flour is starting to thicken it up. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Gives it that little bit of a zing to it. You don't need a lot. Alright, and then we're going to add our chicken back to the mixture. And I'm going to add just a little bit more Italian seasoning over the top. Just like that. Oh man, it's smelling good, guys. I wish you could smell it. Alright, so let me find a lid for this. We're going to cover it up and let it cook for about 5-6 minutes. So we're going to cover this up and let it cook. About 5 minutes or so. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back and show you this sauce, how it's cooking up. Ah, it looks good, smells good. Ooh, Lord. Give me about 5 minutes and I'm going to plate this up for you. And you'll see the finished product. Woo, look at that, guys. A little bit of parsley on top for presentation. Give a little bit of taste. But hey guys, I can't wait to get my mouth on this. This is a very quick, fast, and easy meal for you busy parents out there and you need something good to eat. You know where all the ingredients came from? Much better than McDonald's. But hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Good old chicken stroganoff, guys. Staple in my household. I hope it's for you too. Hey guys. Oh man, I'm not even going to talk. I'm just going to take a bite. Let me get a little mushroom, a little chicken. Come on, chicken. There we go. That cream cheese sets it off, guys. Hey guys, do me a big favor. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and Hey guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.